You know that feeling, right? That little pit in your stomach when you check your bank account? We've all been there. That stress of needing more, but feeling like you have absolutely nothing to start with? It's real. But what if I told you that starting with zero isn't a disadvantage anymore? What if it's actually the new blueprint for building wealth online?
Seriously? Forget the old rules. In 2026, the game has completely changed. The biggest thing holding people back isn't a lack of cash anymore. It's a lack of strategy.
So this is the big idea, right here. We've got to stop focusing on what we don't have, which is money, and start using what we do have. This is the core mindset shift. It's not about investment, it's all about leverage.
Okay, so let's really dive into this because getting this concept is absolutely everything. The digital economy, it runs on a totally different kind of fuel. And here's the best part. It's a fuel you already have, and probably a lot of it.
Leverage is your secret weapon. It's that skill you learned from a hobby you love. It's those 2 hours you have after work. It's all the incredible free software that's just out there waiting for you. You're basically turning your time and your talent directly into income.
And this just perfectly shows the shift. The old way was a gatekeeper's world. You needed cash just to get in the game, but the new way, it's a creator's world. If you have a skill and a little bit of time to apply it, you have everything you need to start building. Your skills are the new currency.
All right, let's get practical. Method number 1. This is, hands down, the fastest path to earning your first dollar online. This is for the action takers, the people who want to see results like yesterday. We're talking about freelancing simple, in-demand services.
Now, what's so amazing here is just how accessible these skills are. Businesses everywhere are desperate for people who can write a clean blog post, whip up a sharp graphic in Canva, manage a social media page, or edit a quick 30-second reel. These aren't just little hobbies, they are high-value, super marketable skills.
And the blueprint to get started? It's so straightforward. First, pick one skill. Then, just create 3 to 5 examples of your work. You can even make them for imaginary clients. It really doesn't matter. Get yourself on a platform like Upwork. Look, your first goal isn't to get rich. It's to build a reputation. In the beginning, those positive reviews, that's your real currency.
And let's be real for a second. This isn't an overnight thing, but if you're consistent, seeing your first real income within 3 to 6 months is an incredibly achievable goal. That's the power of selling a skill you already have.
Okay, method number 2. This one is for all the natural connectors out there. The people whose friends are always asking them for recommendations. Let's talk about earning money by promoting products you actually believe in. This is affiliate marketing, but with a zero-cost, totally organic strategy. No paid ads, no crazy funnels.
I mean, think about it. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate low-risk business. You don't have to create the product, you don't handle inventory, you don't deal with customer service. Your only job is to be that authentic bridge between a great product and the right people who need it.
Now pay attention, because this slide is crucial for your strategy. See that difference? It's huge. Promoting a book on Amazon might get you a few cents, but recommending a piece of software or a digital course, that could earn you a recurring commission of 20, 30, even 50%. Focusing on these high-margin digital products is how you win this game.
So what if you want to build an audience, but you hate the idea of being on camera? Well, this next method is for you, all you introverted strategists out there. Welcome to the world of faceless content and automation, a model that is massively scalable for 2026.
You have to burn this into your brain. Every single video you create is a digital asset. Think of it like a tiny employee that just works for you 24/7, generating views and income long after you hit that publish button.
And the process is actually pretty simple. You pick a niche that gets a lot of searches, like personal finance or tech tutorials. Then, you use free stock footage from sites like Pexels, record your screen, or use simple animations. And the AI voiceover tools today, they're unbelievably realistic. You can build an entire channel that generates revenue without ever showing your face. All right, let's build on that idea of creating assets. Our next method is for the organizers and the experts, and it's probably the most powerful example of leverage in the entire digital economy: selling your very own digital products.
This, right here, is the holy grail of passive income. You invest the time upfront to create one really valuable product, and then you can sell it an infinite number of times with zero additional cost. The scalability is it's unmatched.
And you do not need to be a genius to create one of these. If you're super organized, sell a custom budgeting spreadsheet you made. If you're a designer, sell a pack of Canva templates. Just package your knowledge into a simple guide. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it incredibly easy to start selling literally today.
Okay, our final method. This one's for the creatives, the artists, the people who want to sell physical products without the massive cost and the headache of holding inventory. This is print on demand, or POD.
Just look at these advantages. It's a no-brainer. You create a cool design, you upload it to a service like Printify. When someone buys your t-shirt, the POD company prints it, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You just sit back and collect the profit. It's a creative business with absolutely zero financial risk. And the potential here is significant. We're not talking about pocket change. Our sources show successful sellers in this space earning anywhere from $1,500 to over $10,000 a month. That's life-changing income from a business model with zero upfront cost.
Okay, we've just covered 5 powerful, totally realistic methods. We've got freelancing for the action takers, affiliate marketing for connectors, content for strategists, digital products for experts, and print on demand for creatives. I know it's a lot. And the biggest question now is, where on earth do I begin?
Listen, this is your action plan. This might be the most important part. Do not try to do everything at once. That's the fastest way to fail. Pick the one method that actually excites you the most. Then you're going to take one small action today, not tomorrow, today. Go register the account. Brainstorm 10 ideas. The key is consistency over intensity. You just build small habits that become unstoppable systems.
And this is the final crucial takeaway. Earning money online isn't about luck, and it's not some get-rich-quick secret. It is about choosing a proven strategy and then executing it with focus. Your financial freedom isn't some distant dream. It's a project just waiting for a plan. It's time to start building.